How to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. To resolve this issue on Instagram, you may follow up these methods. So for that, head over to Instagram, open it up first, and then you can just wait for Instagram login. Head over to DM at the top, tap on it, and head over to one of the chat. And what you can do is you can try sending a photo first. So even a one-time view or anything, you can look out for this photo icon, tap on it and send a photo. That might help unlock the chat and allow you to message the account again. That is it. If you can't send message, what you can do is try restricting and unrestricting the account. Head over to the account for that, to their profile, tap on the three dot at the top right corner, and you can look out for this restrict option, tap on it and confirm it. And once that is done, refresh the page, wait for a bit, tap on the three dot again, and look out for unrestrict and see. And then after that, go to messages tab again, and you can just head over and try sending a chat again and see if that works or not. Another thing is if you are seeing a message stating that the account is disabled or anything like that, the thing may be because that account has been disabled for violating Instagram community guidelines. So that may be the issue sometimes, or even that person may have disabled their account for a temporary reason. So I can just head over and check that because that may be the issue sometimes. After that, you can ensure that you're using the latest version if you have already applied those solutions. Head over to Play Store for that. Go to the search, look for Instagram here, and then update your app to the latest version and make sure you are using the latest internet connection as well. I mean, stable internet connection. And you can just follow up this method, restart your phone, restart the whole device, and try to fix that issue. So you may follow up these methods in order to do so. If the issue still persists, you can contact Instagram contact teams directly, and that's it. So that is for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.